Okay, we got another case for the Z Fold 3, the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now, this case is made by PUROOM. It's the ultra thin matte PC shockproof case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. All right, let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this from Amazon. It's the PUROOM case, the matte finish slim design. Here's some pictures right there. $21.99, so $22. Now this is not going to be ready until September 14th or 15th. Now I got it. I guess they had it in stock. Maybe it's out of stock now. But these cases are flying off the shelves, and they're going fast because it's hard to get some cases for this phone. But I will put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the case right here. It's a two-piece case. Let's get that foam out. You got a hard PC back, matte finish, doesn't feel too slippery on the back, so that's a little bit of grip there. It's got fold case on the back, original design. Interesting. Opening for your buttons there, mic opening, and your port, charging port right there. You got a little opening on the side to spread these out, and you got the camera open right here. It's got a little raised lip there, but I'm not sure if that's going to cover the camera. Two mic holes right there on that one, and then this is the front cover here. Doesn't have any tape on this. Opening for the buttons, your speaker grill, and your mic right there, and your speaker down at the bottom. All right, opening for the buttons. All right, so but not too high up on the top, so that might be good. But nice silicone, not nice, smooth matte feel on the back. All right, let's go ahead and get the device, put it aside, and see how it looks. Okay, we got the Z Fold 3. Let's go ahead and put this back piece in first. Slide that on. It's going to be very thin. Like a thin fit case, like the one Spigen makes. All right, so if you don't want any bulk, this might be the case for you. Let's put this on this way. Now this wasn't too tight up top, but hopefully it doesn't move around too much. But it's very slim, and you're not going to get any bulk with this, all right? But it's got some protection from scratches and stuff like that. That's about it. The speaker is covered up, so you're going to have good protection with the speaker right there. Opening for your buttons right there, no problem. And you got your ports at the bottom right there. Everything opens up, so no problem with that. And you got your mic up top. 3 mics right there. It's pretty cool, okay? The back, I mean, this spine right here is not covered, so. But this is not bad. You can slide your hand over there. Still not as smooth as the Samsung case, but it's not bad. It's not the worst. All right. So this is the PUROOM case here, the fold case. All right. Thin fit. All right. Let's go ahead and check out wireless charge. See how that works. Okay. We got the wireless charger right here. Picked up wireless charge. No problem when it's laying down. Let's stand it up. Okay, wireless charge when it stands up. Let's lay it down, see what happens. Okay, pick up wireless charge there as well, no problem, all right? Okay, so that was a quick look at the PUROOM case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This is a thin fit case. Matte feel on the back, so it's got a little grip, and I think it'll do the job if you want something thin. It's gonna keep the scratches off the phone. Drop protection, you're not gonna get that with this case right here, right? Now, if you got any questions, hit up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.